Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and whoever is new, welcome to my channel. First of all, I just want to say sorry because there was some issues, so for that reason I'm a bit late. I need to resolve those things first, so for that reason I hope this thing will not repeat again, so sorry for that. And without wasting the time, as you people can see in my title of that video, that I'm going to share my lockdown favorites. If you don't know, I have already shared another video of this kind of thing, because I have already shared the lockdown favorites of mine, the essential parts, and this one has to be the part 2. So for that reason, without wasting the time, so let's get into the video. So hey, the first one is this one, the Alps Goodness, and this one is from obviously Purple. If you have not noticed, I have already shared a video on Purple haul that I have done recently, not too many days earlier. But the thing is that this one is the sandalwood face gel, and as day by day the temperature is increasing, and I'm from Kolkata, the weather is worst here, so I have to use, as we have to use AC, so for that reason my skin became dull and dry, and this one helps me a lot, helped me a lot. And this is almost finished, so I have to order once more. So I think this one is the lifesaver for me. So Alps Goodness Sandalwood Face Gel, the first thing that I have to recommend you people. What I want to show you, this one is the cucumber face wash, sorry, face pack, and this one is also from Alps Goodness, and I have mentioned these products in that particular Purple haul because I have purchased both of the thing from Purple only. As you can see the name, cucumber soothing face mask, it gives the exact result, and the color of this is perfectly like that. You can see most of the part is finished. I have used it actually twice a week or maybe once a week sometime, but it gives me a very nice result. It helps me a lot to just calm my skin, and it has that cucumber finish, so that smell is very nice. So this one is another favorite one from my second part of this lockdown essentials. So yeah, this one is the thing. As you people already know, I love to read books, and maybe you have seen that I have already done a video just depending on the books. There I have already mentioned, I think, 3 or 5 books that you must have or must read. Here are the other one. These are all from the series of Feluda. This is a detective character made by Satyajit Ray. I have to say Satyajit Ray. I will not pronounce it as Satyajit Ray because being a Bong, it is our just duty to pronounce it right. So Satyajit Ray is the right pronunciation, and I love to read books. So the thing is that I have already read these books twice, maybe twice or thrice, I don't know. But in this lockdown period, I have read it at least once, and this Kolkata Feluda I have read 3 times. So yeah, I love to read detective books, especially. So books are for you people. As we have done with our skincare thing, we have done with our time pass thing. Now we need to calm our belly or our stomach. So here are the 2 things that I love. This one is from Milano chocolate cookies. I had too many things, but I have already ate those things, and only these 2 packets are left. So for that reason I can show you these 2 only. And this one from Britannia Treat Roast. These all 2 are from chocolate, and as you people know, I love chocolate. So for that reason these 2 are my kindly favorite, and I love to eat these 2 things. Here is not the end. 2 more things that I just want to share. This one is this blue lace, what I love to eat, and another one is bingo. And here this is one chili sprinkle. This is the thing you have to have, because at least you have to try once. These are the potato chips. I know this one are not healthy, but you should eat it, because I love munching. Whenever I got the time, I love munching, and these 2 are my always favorite. I just want to mention that I am not an artist, so I have done a dreamcatcher painting. So here you can see that painting. If you want to know how I have made it or whatever the thing is, or maybe you have not seen that video, I will link it, no need to worry. So just check that thing. I think this is the best therapy a person can do. Maybe I am not that much good, but I have tried. I will do this kind of thing in my near future, so no need to worry for that. So what I can say more, so I hope you have liked the video. If no, what I can do better, then please let me know in the comment section of, or if there is any kind of any video suggestion, then please give it to me. And so by the way, for now, just be happy, stay positive, just keep loving yourself. And if any queries or any video suggestion is there, you can just let me know in the comment section. If you have not visited my Instagram profile, just visit that once, and just don't forget to follow me there also. And whoever has not subscribed to my channel, subscribe it now. Just like the videos, not only this video but the other videos too. And if you love my videos, then please share it to your friends and families. So bye bye guys.